Hey, future innovators. Are you ready to master mechanical design in the era of AI? The game has changed. AI is no longer just a buzzword. It's transforming the way engineers design, analyze, and optimize products. In this video, I'm going to show you the key skills, tools, and strategies you need to stay ahead and thrive as a mechanical design engineer. Let's dive in. AI is revolutionizing mechanical design in three big ways. 1. Generative design. AI-powered tools like Autodesk's Fusion 360 and Siemens NX generate multiple design iterations in minutes, helping engineers find optimal solutions faster than ever. 2. AI-driven simulation and analysis. Traditional simulations take hours. AI-driven tools predict outcomes in real time, allowing rapid decision-making. 3. Automation and optimization. AI automates repetitive tasks, freeing up engineers to focus on innovation and problem solving. So, what skills do you need to succeed in this AI-driven era? Here are the top ones. Master CAD and CAD tools. Learn tools like SolidWorks, AutoCAD, and Fusion 360, but also explore AI-enhanced software. Understand AI and machine learning basics. No, you don't have to be a programmer, but understanding how AI algorithms work will give you an edge. Simulation and analysis skills. Familiarize yourself with AI-powered FEA and CFD software to improve efficiency. Data analytics and the digital twin technology. Learn how to interpret AI-generated insights to make better design decisions. Creative problem solving. AI enhances but doesn't replace human ingenuity. Sharpen your ability to think outside the box. Best AI-driven tools for mechanical engineers. Now let's talk about the top AI-powered tools that every mechanical design engineer should explore. Autodesk Fusion 360, Generative Design, AI-powered modeling, ANSYS discovery, real-time simulation and AI-driven optimizations. Siemens NX, advanced AI-driven CAD and simulation tools. Topology, AI-optimized lattice structures and lightweight designs. PTC Creo with AI enhancements. Machine learning-powered parametric design. AI is evolving fast, and to stay ahead, you need to embrace continuous learning. Here's how. Take online courses. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and EDX offer courses on AI in engineering. Join engineering communities. Engage with AI-focused engineering groups on LinkedIn and Reddit. Work on AI-integrated projects. Hands-on experience is the best teacher. Experiment with generative design and AI-driven simulations. Stay updated on trends. Follow industry news. Read research papers and attend AI and engineering conferences. AI is not here to replace engineers. It's here to empower us. The future belongs to those who adapt and innovate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more engineering insights, and comment below. How do you think AI will shape mechanical design in the next 10 years? Let's start the conversation.